okay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I don't know how many times I did this intro, y'all. I think this is like my 4th time. So let's get it right. Now, the wig I'm going to be sharing with y'all today is from Myfirstwig. Everybody should be familiar with Myfirstwig. If you're not, you need to get familiar, sis, because they are a bomb company. All the links and details to the wig that I'm going to be sharing with you will be in my description box. And just in case you do want to purchase or check out their website, if you have not heard of them already, go ahead and check below. This is the packaging. And hold up. Why can't I get this box open? And it came with the wig details, so let me just read it off to you really quickly. The order number is 𝗪𝗿𝗂. This is a Yaki texture. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is a natural hair color. The cap size I have is a size 1, which is a 21 to 22 circumference. And then the cap construction is a 13x6 lace front wig. The density of this wig is 160%. So that's all the information, and just in case you missed anything, that stuff will be somewhere on the screen and on and in my description box. Yo, I'm pumped about this because first of all, like, the way these knots is looking, y'all, did they say what length this was? Damn, I don't even know what I did with the paper. What length was this? I would really like to know. Did y'all see what I just did with that paper? Bro, that's because my phone keep on going off. That's annoying. Like, what did I just do with the paper? Did I put it back in here? Okay, I put it back in here. Bro, it's 20 inches. Alright, y'all, so here is the wig. Like I said, it is a 13x6. Y'all see how bleached these knots are? They are bleached very well. So the construction, it comes with 2 combs off to the side in the front. It also comes with a comb in the back with your adjustable straps, a little bit of lace, and it also comes with the adjustable band, which works really well, especially for smaller head sizes. And if you want to wear this wig glueless, which that is an option. So here is the hairline. Oh my god, my phone is killing me. I'm gonna have to turn it off. So this is what the hairline is looking like, and y'all, it looks really good. So look at this hairline, and you see what I mean about like the edges. Alright, I did go ahead and adjust these the elastic band that's on here. Hopefully I don't have to cut off the sides, but it looks like I might have to. I'm not sure. Wait a minute. Oh my god, if I don't have to cut off these sides, I'm gonna be so thankful. I mean, I feel like it should be alright. Okay, that's without any glue. So I will say, if you wanted to wear this glueless, you definitely could. Like, look at that. So how has everyone been? I've been doing very great, you guys. can't complain. Cannot complain at all. I be a little wary on trying the edge hairline, the whatever it's called, y'all know what I'm talking about, the edges hairline, because some just be too much for me. And like some people's hairline might really look like that, but mine's don't, you know what I'm saying? So it just looks unnatural on me, whereas though you really have to tweak it in order for the hairline to actually look like something and look right. With this wig, it actually looks natural, like how my hairline would actually look. So my first wigs, I really can appreciate that. I'm recently disappointed. I was supposed to go to Mexico, Cancun, March, the end of this month, March 21st to the 26th. And I went shopping, like I bought all of these outfits. I had videos in mind. I was going to vlog my trip, and yeah, that's not happening. And I have not been on a vacation in so long, and I think that it's like owed to myself, because you know, I just be like a mother. And I really would love and appreciate a break, y'all. Like, I love my kids, but it's a lot, and I just want a break. Is that selfish? Like, I don't know. And then you know how it is, like leaving for like 5 days at once. It's hard to find a babysitter for that many days, and I had one on lock, my mother. But like, I'm like, damn, when that opportunity gonna come again that she is gonna be willing to keep my kids, and not like it was during the week, because she be acting funny when it comes to watching my kids. Like, all my other friends and their mother, like grannies, my mother not one of those, like no. And I can understand to some extent, because like she's been doing daycare for years, since I was probably like 15 or 14. So like, she's been watching kids, you know, but they your grandkids, like, come on. My camera keeps on cutting off. The whole time I thought I was recording and letting y'all see me take off the elastic band, because before I applied the elastic band, I was done my application, but y'all missed the part when I put on the elastic band. So I put that on, and I was trying to show y'all after letting it sit, me taking it off, and this is what it looks like. But that just didn't work out. Now in the meantime, while I was waiting with the elastic band, I did take my wand curler and I flattened this part out, and it didn't take much. It was real easy breezy, straight to the point. I didn't have to like section off the head to make it flat or anything like that. And I could appreciate it, because sometimes when it's too much, like this is already a Yaki texture, so too much density in the hair is just real, it gives bulky, okay? And we don't want that. So the fact that this is Yaki, but it's 160% density, I feel like it's a good density for this hair. It looks really like real. So I'm gonna go real quick and take a washcloth and just wipe this residue off, and then I'll come back. I did cut this, but the elastic band was on it, so I couldn't like fully cut it off. But now that that's removed, I can go ahead and cut that off, because it was like, you know, close to my ear. Let's comb it out just to see. So that's how we basically gonna leave it. I have some concealer on the end of this brush, and I'm just going to take it and add it to my part. Now they did an amazing job at actually plucking, I mean not plucking, but bleaching knots where so it looks like scalp. Look at that. And y'all know, usually when you have a black stocking cap on and you part the hair, it's like you can't see the part. Not this wig, but in some spots I do feel like it's like this spot right here is kind of bothering me. Y'all see how that just blend so nicely? Why is my nose running? Oh, I hope I'm not getting a cold. I didn't have to cut no baby hair into this. Like, this is how it came, y'all. The only thing I did was put my heat on like this part to flatten it down a little bit. But I'm running out of time. I gotta go pick up the kids. So when I come, I'll like resume this video when I come back.